Hi, I'm Dr Abdelhakim Al-Garyani, consultant orthodontist, diplomate in the American Board of Orthodontics, and I'm excited to welcome you all to attend our upcoming Human Cadaver TADS course to be held here in Dubai on June 29th, 2024. This course will be focused on TAD placement techniques as well as orthodontic mechanics design. TADs will be placed in the alveolar areas as well as the extra-alveolar areas like the infrazygomatic crest, the buccal shelf, and the retromolar areas. For this course, we will be using the PSM Quattro system screws as well as the PSM Benefit screws. Every participant in this course will have their own unique human cadaver as well as the set of instruments, so there will be no sharing. So, with that said, if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.